Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is FocusDan, your captain on this thrilling voyage through the realms of gadgets, tech news, sports insights, and the exquisite world of rum. Today I'm joined by two maestros in their fields, Shaun, our technology news guru, and Ken, the sports news aficionado. Together we're diving into a sea of innovation, performance, and flavor. Whether it's the latest breakthroughs in technology, the cutting edge in sports, the coolest gadgets, or the smoothest rums, we've got it all lined up for you. So buckle up, get comfortable, and let's embark on this electrifying journey. Stay tuned as we explore the best of what technology, sports, and rum has to offer. And remember, we're not just here to inform, we're here to engage and entertain. Let's get this show on the road. Alright folks, it's time to switch gears and delve into the world of technology news. I'm passing the mic to the man who has his finger on the pulse of all things tech, Shaun. Shaun's got the scoop on the latest scientific breakthroughs and technological advancements that are reshaping our world. So Shaun, tell us what's buzzing in the tech universe today. What groundbreaking news do you have for us that's going to blow our minds? The stage is all yours.
Thanks, FocusDan. Hello, everyone. It's Shaun here, and I'm excited to share some cool tech news with you all. Today, we're talking about a big find by SETI Institute, a group that searches for signals in space. They've been using a big satellite dish called an Allen Telescope Array, and they found something really interesting called fast radio bursts, or FRBs for short. These are super quick flashes of radio waves from space, and they are a big mystery that has everyone excited. Now let's focus on a specific signal they found called HW-Q990C The researchers spent a lot of time, over 541 hours, just watching this one signal, and they saw 35 bursts from it. Each burst is like a cosmic clue, showing different patterns, and it's making us rethink what we know about space. What's really cool about FRBs is how they change over time. Their frequency, which is like the pitch of the sound, goes down, and almost like descending tones in space. And we've never seen anything like it before. This could help us understand really strange and powerful objects in space, like magnetars, which are supercharged. This discovery is a big deal. It's helping us learn more about space and setting up new paths for space research. These bursts might be the key to solving some of the big mysteries that have puzzled scientists for a long time. So that's a quick look at this amazing discovery. It's like the universe is sending us messages with these bursts, and we're just starting to listen. After talking about space and the mysterious signals, let's come back down to Earth and talk about something a little bit more familiar. Now it's time to talk about the latest gadgets. And who better to walk us through than FocusDan, our go-to guy for all things tech. He's got the lowdown on a new tech item that's more than just cool. It could really change the way we live. So FocusDan, what's this exciting gadget you got for us?
Thanks, Shaun. All right, gadget enthusiasts, brace yourselves because today we're diving into the world of high-fidelity sound with the Samsung HW-Q990C Soundbar. This isn't just any soundbar, it's a statement piece in the world of home audio, combining sleek design with incredible functionality. First up, the design. The Samsung HW-Q990C boasts a sleek, modern look with a mesh plastic covering that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also practical and easy to clean. Its size is notable, commanding presence in any room it's placed in. Now let's talk setup. It's a breeze. One of the most hassle-free experiences you'll have with any home entertainment system. The soundbar automatically connects to its subwoofer and rear speakers, facilitated by Samsung's SmartThings app. It's about as plug-and-play as it gets for a premium audio system. But what really sets the HW-Q990C apart is its sound quality. This soundbar is a sonic powerhouse. It delivers immersive Dolby Atmos sound, making your favorite movies and music come alive like never before. It also has a unique Q Symphony feature, which syncs the soundbar with compatible Samsung TVs for an even more dynamic audio experience. Lastly, the HW-Q990C comes with various connectivity options including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing for streaming from multiple devices. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or streaming your favorite playlist, this soundbar delivers exceptional sound quality. In summary, the Samsung HW-Q990C soundbar is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to elevate their home audio experience. Its combination of style, ease of use, and outstanding audio performance makes it a standout option in the crowded field of home sound systems. That was our deep dive into the immersive world of sound with the Samsung HW-Q990C Soundbar. But now let's switch tracks from the cutting edge of home entertainment to the fast-paced, adrenaline-pumping arena of sports technology. We're handing over the reins to Ken, our sports tech expert, who's geared up to share the latest and greatest from the intersection of sports and technology. Ken's got his eye on a breakthrough that's changing the game, quite literally. Ken, the spotlight's on you. Take us into the world of sports tech and show us what's revolutionizing the field today.
Thank you, FocusDan. Hello, sports fans and tech enthusiasts. This is Ken, ready to bring you the latest scoop from the intersection of sports and cutting-edge technologies. Today, we're talking about a groundbreaking development that's blurring the lines between human skill and artificial intelligence. It's an AI system known as Swift, and its recent triumph in the world of drone racing. The technology behind Swift is a marvel in itself. It incorporates advanced algorithms, real-time processing of sensory data, and understanding of flight dynamics. That's astounding. What makes this even more significant is the broader implications on technology. Imagine potential applications like search and rescue, where speed and precision are crucial, or enhancing training programs for drone pilots. Swift was developed by the University of Zurich in Switzerland. The victory by Swift was in a purpose-built indoor obstacle course in an airport hangar in Zurich, which included having to run through elevated obstacles. During the race, Swift often ran at speeds over 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour for many of us. There's still more to come for Swift to be fully ready for outdoor environments with changing conditions, and those present in Zurich reported human players adapted better to change than Swift's trial and error learning process. But this is still a major step. A few years ago, an AI drone would have taken double the time of top human players. This achievement by Swift is more than just winning a race. It's a testament to the incredible advancements in AI and its growing role in competitive sports. It's reshaping the landscape, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and opening up new possibilities. The future of sports technology is here, and it's thrilling to see how AI is playing a role in this evolution. The line between human and machine in sports is getting thinner, and AI is leading the charge. It's an interesting time to be a sports enthusiast, and we are waiting to see what's next on the horizon. Back to you, FocusDan.
Thanks, Ken. From the high-tech world of AI and sports, where innovation races ahead at breakneck speed, we now transition to something that's all about savoring the moment and appreciating the finer things in life. It's time to slow down and indulge in the rich history and complex flavors of a truly exceptional spirit. I'm your resident connoisseur of all things refined, and I'm about to take us on a journey into the world of premium rum. I've got a special bottle on the spotlight today, one that's steeped in tradition and renowned for its exquisite taste. Let's raise our glasses and delve into the art of rum making. Today we're exploring a treasure of the rum world, the Santa Teresa 1796. This isn't just any rum, it's a liquid narrative of history, craftsmanship, and flavor. Santa Teresa 1796 hails from Venezuela, produced in the Hacienda Santa Teresa, a distillery with a legacy dating back to 1796. What sets this rum apart is its Solera aging process, a method traditionally used for sherry, which involves blending younger rums with older ones. The result is a harmonious blend of flavors developed over years, with some components aged up to 35 years. This meticulous process gives Santa Teresa 1796 its distinct and sophisticated character. When you pour a glass of Santa Teresa 1796, you are greeted with a rich, dark walnut color, a promise of the depth and complexity to come. The aroma is a delightful tapestry of scents: dark caramel, vanilla, intertwined with notes of cherries and prunes, and a hint of cinnamon, all rounded off with the sweetness of raisins and a depth of charred oak. The palate is where Santa Teresa 1796 truly shines. It begins with a smooth melody of vanilla and caramel, soon joined by a chorus of fruit flavors including raisins, cherries, and plums, all accented by a twist of bitter citrus. As the experience evolves, you'll notice a gentle spiciness and oak tannins, seamlessly blending with baking spices, old leather, and roasted almonds. The finish is long and satisfying, marked by a lingering toffee note and a subtle hint of copper. Presentation-wise, Santa Teresa 1796 is as elegant as its taste. The bottle, sealed with wax, speaks to the premium quality of the rum. It's not just a drink, It's a centerpiece, a conversation starter. In conclusion, Santa Teresa 1796 is more than just a premium rum. It's an experience, a journey through time and flavor. Whether enjoyed neat or on the rocks or in a sophisticated cocktail, it's a rum that appeals to connoisseurs and casual drinkers alike. Its complex flavor profile and elegant presentation make it a standout choice. So here's to Santa Teresa, a testament of the art of rum making. Cheers. Well, folks, we've reached the end of another captivating episode of the Gadget Rum Club podcast, and it's been quite the ride. Today we've traveled through the cosmos with Shaun's tech insights, immersed ourselves in the world of high-fidelity sound, and explored the exciting blend of AI and sports technology with Ken. And of course, we savored the rich history and flavors of the Santa Teresa 1796 rum. But before we say goodbye, let's hear from my fellow hosts. Shaun, what's your key takeaway from today's tech news?
Absolutely, FocusDan. The universe is full of mysteries, and every discovery we make brings us closer to understanding its secrets. Keep looking up, folks.
Well said, Shaun. And now, Ken, how about you? Any final thoughts on the sports tech segment?
Thanks, FocusDan. The world of sports is evolving with technology at the forefront. Let's keep our eyes open and never forget the heart and soul of the games we love.
Words of wisdom, guys. And there you have it, folks. Insights from the whole team. Before you go, remember to hit that like button and share our channel at www.youtube.com/GadgetRumClub. Your support fuels our passion. As always, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, from all of us here at the Gadget Rum Club podcast, cheers to a future filled with innovation, excitement, and a touch of the extraordinary. See you soon. As always, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Until then, from all of us here at the Gadget Rum Club podcast, cheers to a future filled with innovation, excitement, and a touch of the extraordinary. See you soon.